Good day to all employers in Hong Kong. My name is Gigi Loresco, 24 years old. I am from Santa Barbara, Pangasinan, Philippines. I am married and I have two children, ages 3 and 4 years old. I have an experience as a housemaid here in the Philippines for 4 years in two different employers. My first employer, I served 3 members of the family, including 1 kid and 2 adults. My duties are taking care of a kid and doing household chores like preparing and cooking food, doing laundry, cleaning the house, cleaning the car, ironing, marketing, gardening, and so many more. In my second employer, I also worked for them for 2 years. And also, I do a household chores and taking care of a 2 kids. I have a lot of experience of taking care of a newborn and a pets. I'm a dedicated, I'm a hardworking, and I'm willing to learn the task given for me. If you will choose me as your helper, I promise that I'll do my very best to do all my duties and responsibilities. And I promise that I finish my contract and work with you as long as you need me. I hope that you will choose me, Mom and Sir. Thank you.